You're watching how to add email address to Instagram on iPhone. Open the Instagram app and ensure you are logged into your account. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right to go to your profile. Tap the three horizontal lines menu in the top right corner, then select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down within the Settings menu and tap on Account Center. In the Account Center, tap on Personal Details. Then select Contact Info. Here you will see your current primary contact email. To add a new email, tap Add Email Address. Enter the new email address you want to associate with your account. Tap Next. Instagram will send a confirmation code to that email address. Check your email inbox for the code from Instagram. Enter the 6-digit confirmation code in the prompt within the Instagram app. Tap Confirm. The new email is now added and verified. You can set it as your primary contact email by tapping on it in the list and selecting Make Primary. You may need to confirm your Instagram password. Having multiple emails helps with account recovery. And login. You can also remove an old email by selecting it and choosing Remove. Ensure you always have at least one verified email on your account. This email is used for important notifications and password resets. The change is effective immediately. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.